What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, Dyna. I'm here live at my appointment. Sorry, guys. So sorry. So I'm here live at my appointment. About to go in soon. Let me share this real quick. So yeah, I'm here at my appointment. Sorry, guys. And you know what? Let me shift it over here. I'm so sorry. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see the snow? Okay. So anyways, I'm here at my appointment. About to get it popping. Not really popping. Anyways, so this snowstorm that's supposedly supposed to hit Washington. It's just snow. It's just snow. And people are overreacting and all the stores. So if you're in Washington and you've been to these stores the last couple days, you would know that there is a lot of empty shelves due to the warnings of this potential snowstorm. So, as I'm sitting here, it was about 35 minutes ago. Just sitting here, no snow, just chilling, minding my business. Got the heater blasted because it's kind of cold outside. And then I see little white ice snowflakes falling from the sky, right? And I'm thinking it's just the snow coming off the trees from previous snow days. But no, it's real snow. It's actual snow falling like what the news said it was going to do. And at the same time this is going on, prior to all this snowfall, and we have people, we have regular Washingtonians who actually live here. We have Washingtonians that live here and are complaining. People are overreacting. It's just snow, guys. You are really gonna wish that you were one of those people that actually went and cleared out these shelves, or actually went to go stock up on some food. Cause by the looks of it, forecasters said that the snow will be dropping at this time, which it is dropping right now at this time. You're really gonna wish that you went to those stores. So I'm like, more power to the people that actually went to the stores and bought them something or some food because of this snowstorm that we're supposedly gonna have. Big ups to you guys. Way to play it safe. Me, on the other hand, I was not complaining, but nor was I clearing shelves. I was at the store yesterday. I went to Walmart and it was packed. Like, the damn store closed at 12 midnight. I was standing in line for probably half an hour after the store was closed. But I was standing in line half an hour before it was closed. So, and I just want to get this, some chips, some cookies, a little candy here and there, you know. People like eating sweets while it's snowing, you know. But I'm telling you, it's better to be cautious about, um, you know, stuff like that. I mean, you just never know. say. So I was saying on my Facebook Live, I was like, bruh, some of us, we gotta think right. You not think right. Yeah, you gotta think right, but sometimes you gotta think white. Okay? No kind of racial intent, I love white people. Trust. I love whites. I love black. I love them all. I'm a very loving person, lovable person. But tell me that white people don't jump when the news forecaster tells you, hi, expect 4 to 8 inches of snow coming Friday around 12 to 3. Trust and believe white people will be in their car on a Wednesday stocking up for Friday. Tell me I'm lying. I'll wait. No, exactly. Sometimes in certain situations, we all need to have a little white in us. We need to think like Bob, or Janice, or whoever your white neighbor is. I don't have white neighbors. I live in a heavily Mexican populated street. Shout out to my amigos to the next door. But yeah, I you need to think like a white person sometimes. I keep looking this way, but I need to look that way. Don't mind my hands. It's so cold. My hands are cracking. Cracking at all that your hands be cracking. You know what I'm saying? I can start a fire. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and do a little venting, and not really venting, more of a rant. Not even a rant, more like a, that's what you get. Y'all should have thought like white people. And should have been like, yeah, maybe I should have gone. Because now I'm going to be stranded at home with no food. I'm going to be stranded at home because I should have listened to the news and sort of somewhat overreacted about the snow. But I'm so glad that we don't have weather like in the Midwest. Hi! Yeah, so I'm just glad we don't have weather like in the Midwest. It's really bad over there. So just having snow here, I don't know that you're not in like negative 40-degree weather. I mean, it's like colder than Antarctica. And that place is cold, really cold. Okay? I mean, people are dying in the Midwest because of this weather. So, I mean, I'm so, so happy that it's just snow. I love snow for real. Honestly, I was like, man, let the snow come down. I love it. Honestly, I love snow. But yeah, um, I will be awaiting this snowstorm, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys in the snowstorm soon because I got this appointment. Oh, I'll take you guys later. But yeah, I'm at my appointment in the snow. But yeah, I really wished people took the proper precautions on actually getting the things that they needed instead of, oh, I wish. I wish. No. But yeah, I'm about to sign out real quick. Be on the lookout for other videos and other little rants and whatnot. But yeah, be on the lookout for other videos, singing videos, mukbangs. I'll probably do some reaction videos. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. songs, ideas on videos that you want me to do, challenges. I'm down for the challenge, but no, I will not do no spicy. I don't do spicy. I will die on this camera. I cannot do spicy. I'm so sorry. I'm looking directly in your eyes right now and telling you I cannot do spicy. Comprende? No? No entiendo? Sorry. But yeah, I'm about to log out. I'll catch y'all later. All right. All right, my dynamites. Keep it lit. It's like, or stay bomb. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. My dynamite. Stay bomb.